Nipun Devecha on this show, and you all will get to know the journey from being an engineer to being a full-time DJ and a music producer, and how patience is important in his life. Who is an artist, a DJ, a music producer from Mumbai, and we'll get to know about his journey from the start till the end, and a lot of gossips in between. So, इस कॉन्वर्जेशन से हमें ये भी पता चला है कि पेशेंस कितना इम्पॉर्टेंट है एक आर्टिस्ट की लाइफ में. सो इफ यू वांट टू गेट अलोंग विद अस, कम ऑन, लेट्स हैव अ वॉच. हाय, व्हाट्स अप, हाउ आर यू?
Amazing, how are you?
I'm good. So how has Surat been to you? Yesterday was your first show in Surat. Debut tha.
Amazing. I would say I'm terrified beyond belief, and I didn't expect this well. People are welcoming, and the energy, the vibes all around. It was very positive.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it.
मजा आया
बहुत मजा
सूरत में. Yes, I want to see you, more of you here in Surat.
Yes.
And Kamhari as well. We'll keep
Because
moving. Yeah.
our official partners.
Yes. So yesterday was the launch of Futurism merch, right?
Yes.
And how was the response of the merch?
Amazing. I have plenty of messages in my inbox. A lot of people are trying to get them.
Yeah.
And I'm really looking forward to work my journey with Kambari
Yeah.
and take this ahead.
So ये merch बहुत fancy word आता है, because see, there are quite a few artists who've launched the merch, and few people who are not doing anything, they've also launched. मतलब एक इसका कोई statement नहीं है कि तुम ये level पे पहुंचोगे तो तुम merch launch करोगे या क्या. But it takes a lot of guts कि यार आज मैं जो पहन रहा हूँ, that is my own design and that is my own merch. So what do you think about that? मतलब कैसे, मतलब how did you even accept it कि नहीं, this is the right time to launch?
So I had planned a couple of things. I had previously also I had couple of offers like these, but I was not ready for it.
Okay.
Because time was not right.
ऐसे time
No.
right नहीं है, वो कैसे decide किया, वही तो जानना है मुझे.
तो time कभी-कभी things align in a way where you want to show right things at right time, for your
Yes.
brand, and
Yes.
that really brings your brand value
Correct.
on the top.
तो हमें बहुत अच्छे से पता है that you're doing really nice in your field, and I want you to tell who is Nipun Devecha to our audience.
Nipun Devecha in the night or Nipun Devecha in the day?
Nipun Devecha as a person. Entirely. I want to know everything about you.
So if I say I'm a different person in the day and different person in the night,
Definitely.
and I live with my family. I've started living with my family now after
Wonderful.
15 years.
Okay.
They live in Baroda,
Okay.
and I used to live in Bombay.
Okay.
And now after 15 years, I've started living with them now. And there are challenges, there are goods, there are bads, but I'm enjoying this.
You're enjoying. Yeah. That's wonderful.
Like they have been there throughout my journey when I started playing music and when I was learning music and practicing and everything. They have been all the time. with
Yeah.
me. So yeah, it's been a ride.
It's been a ride. That's actually wonderful to hear कि एक आर्टिस्ट की जर्नी में कितना कुछ इन्वॉल्व होता है. From the separation that you mentioned कि family से इतना time आप दूर रहे, correct? Like 15 years. And then struggling daily with the schedule actually.
Yeah.
Especially DJs and people who are in events. They face a lot of problem with the schedule, late nights, early mornings and everything. How do you manage the schedule?
So I have my own schedule. I follow that even on the weekdays and weekends. So my sleep cycle is different from. I live in the US zone time. So I generally talk to my cousins in the US as if it's my day.
Okay.
So they get more of me during that time than my parents.
Yeah.
living at home. I do follow a discipline in life.
Okay.
And I have everything planned. Like I plan my day, I plan everything, and it is according to that. More disciplined now since things are moving faster, and I would say it took time to even get this discipline in my life. What
Okay.
I'm doing right now, and I follow it, and I can see the rewards.
आपके हिसाब से discipline is very important in this
Yes.
field.
Yes.
Yes. So, as you're doing really good as an artist, as a DJ, as a music producer in the industry, how did you choose DJing as your career? वो ऐसा कौन सा दिन था जब आपने डिसाइड किया नहीं यार ये तो मैं फुल टाइम अब लाइफ टाइम मुझे DJing ही करना है. I want to become this. I want to opt this for the rest of my life. वो कब डिसाइड किया?
So I was always fanatic about music in my early days. What was the question?
ठीक है. Okay, so you're doing great as an artist, as a DJ, as a music producer now. Everybody knows that. Okay, so I want to ask you, when did you decide कि आज मुझे DJ बनना है और लाइफ टाइम मुझे यही करियर ऑप्ट करना है? And today is the day when I decided that this is the thing that I want to do my entire life. ये मतलब कब आपको रियलाइज हुआ ये चीज?
Realize हुआ बस कुछ ही साल पहले. But it was always about practice, and music is about practice, and I've always been practicing music, following a pattern, and when practice comes right, you fall in place and things align together, and you really know what you're doing. But for me, I started browsing music when I was in my 7th grade.
Oh, means internet नहीं था उस टाइम पे.
was the
Everybody
beginning.
like
There was this beginning of the internet.
Yeah.
But I used to explore a lot of records. Like my grandfather, he used to paint. He is also an artist.
wow.
So he used to collect records, and my other grandfather, they all used to collect records, and that's how I got influenced by them. And I have all those records now with
Oh
me.
wow, lucky,
And
lucky, very lucky.
yeah, I'm very lucky that way, and that's what. But I did never plan it that I wanted to be a DJ or
Okay.
a music producer. It just happened. I used to follow certain people, certain music, and all kinds of music. I feel I'm really open to all kind of music. It's just bad music and good music.
Yeah.
Be any style, be any genre.
It's in your mind.
Yeah. It's how you want to explore it. You have to keep your mind open for this, and it will happen.
So how was your school time? That's a time when आप realize करते हो कि life में आपको क्या करना है. Music, as you said, 7th grade से you've been browsing and everything, and obviously family background में थोड़ा बहुत art and music है. So schooling कैसा था? And then obviously college times में you must have realized कि नहीं, I'm going more towards music. How did it happen? How did you land up here talking to Kam Bhari in an interview for
I didn't
your...
expect to be at Kambari. So, first of all, yeah. So
It's a pleasure for us to have you here.
Same. Like it's my first show, and I'm really happy for it.
Yeah. So yeah, I want to know the journey. I want to know कहाँ से आया ये music आपकी life में?
So I used to explore a lot of progressive music in the beginning. It was the electronic music style was more of progressive when I started, which was around 2008, 2010 era. It was only about progressive and electro.
Yes.
Those days.
Festive
Yeah.
music, festive remixes were
more trance anthems
Trance.
and
Correct.
that kind of. I've grown up to listening to all that
yeah.
Dutch trance and a lot of psychedelic music also, influences by Spongle and so many other DJs,
Yeah.
Raja Ram. So yeah,
Lovely.
they did influence me a lot back then, and I started collecting music because this was something really new to me when I was young, and it really amazed me like how these transitions are. and
Okay.
How people are not listening to this music,
Yeah.
and that really clicked me, and I was like, I want to do something with this music, and it happened, and I just followed it, and as I said again, it's a practice. I keep doing it. I gave my heart to it, and it happened.
Wow, wonderful to hear such a crazy journey. Okay, so I would like to ask you कि हर कोई फील्ड में ups and downs होते हैं, but start is always from the zero. या सब आर्टिस्ट का ये होता है यार, start हम इधर से करते हैं और आज जो
Of course,
करे, yeah.
कोई-
So can you talk a little bit about your start in the field of DJing or a music producer?
So when I started playing music, I used to also explore a lot of clubs in Bombay, which I could not afford to go to because my parents were not supporting me in the beginning, and they were like, "What is this? Now you're gonna play music for people. They're
Yeah.
gonna throw money at you."
Yeah,
And
yeah.
they used to tell me all these things, and I used to say, "It's not what you're thinking. Like I'm really up to something. Like you have to believe in me, what I'm doing, and you'll see the difference. I need time. I need patience. I'm waiting for this, and I need your support. That's what really brought me here today. And yeah, collecting music was the best. Eventually, when you start collecting music, you really know what you want to deliver and what you want to play for your audience, and also what they like. You know what they will accept on the dance floor, and it's really important for them because you have to judge them when you are playing music.
Yeah, correct. That is what a good DJ does. Read the minds of people.
Yes.
Yeah, very true. Okay, so have you had bad experiences in terms of playing at a place with good audience, bad audience, or bad promoters, good promoters, anything?
Of course.
Any bad experience that you still remember in your mind कि यार ये मैं कभी लाइफ में नहीं भूल सकता, ये क्या हुआ मेरे साथ?
I think once it was my first gig in Pune, and I was booked for a private party at this Symbiosis College,
Okay.
and I was playing techno in 2012.
2012.
Yeah, and they wanted me to play Bollywood.
Okay.
So I saw a bottle flying over the top of me, and I was like, someone threw a bottle from the dance floor.
फिर क्या होता है ये इस टाइम पे क्या करना चाहिए?
भाग जाना चाहिए.
उसके बाद रिव्यूज जब like obviously if people don't get your music रिव्यूज बुरे ही आते हैं, correct?
Of course.
उसको कैसे टैकल करते हो?
उसको खुशी से समझाना पड़ता है
कैसे
कि first of all you have to keep your mind open to this music. If you are accepting something new, then you can understand.
Yeah.
Otherwise it's a no.
Yeah.
No one can force you. First you have to be accepting to anything, whether it be music or whether it be lifestyle or whether it be anything else.
Anyway.
Like if you accept and you are open to accept things, then
Nice. I believe that too.
Yeah.
Okay, so tough times, starters, ये सब बहुत लोग बात करते हैं. I want to know कि DJing easy है और वो क्यों है, अगर है, and I want to know कि इसमें fun element कहाँ है, because lows के बारे में सब बात कर लेते हैं, but I know being in the field we enjoy the music so much we appreciate every time, we appreciate the job we belong to, and I want to talk about that कि यार इसमें बहुत मजा है, ये कोई बात नहीं करता है. So what are your views? मतलब मजा आता है every day? What do you think? Lifestyle struggles है तो भी मजा आता है क्या? मतलब what do you think about this?
There are ups and downs. I think किसी को भी डायरेक्ट ऊपर स्टेज
हाँ,
पे
नहीं.
तो नहीं चढ़ने मिलता है. तो I have had my own journey and it's just about patience. Patience has played a big role in my career.
Yeah.
And you have to really believe in yourself first, what you want to achieve and where you want to be,
Yeah.
because those two are different things exactly. What when you plan it, you'll follow it, and that's where things will come to place,
Yeah. So like I want to know, how do you enjoy every day playing and
Playing every day, I don't play every day. Like weekends.
still it's like a full-time job, I would say.
Actually, so mostly on the weekends I'm traveling. I stick to 2 shows a week. I don't want to do myself
Yeah.
also, and I don't want to play too many shows.
Yeah.
I want to stick to one or 2 shows in a week. So also brings a toss on my health, because not sleeping in the night really gives you back on your body.
Yeah.
And as I was saying, I follow a schedule and I also follow that on the weekdays. So it becomes a little easier for me when I'm traveling.
Oh yeah.
And traveling is tiring because back-to-back shows.
Yeah, definitely it is.
So you're always thinking back of your mind, you have to take a flight, you have to take a cab, you have to
Reach the venue on time. You have to
Exactly.
meet them, do the sound check, go back, get ready, play for them, come back,
Exactly.
travel back. That's a lot to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is very true. Okay, so मुझे basically ये जानना है कि music में कितना fun है. I want you to talk about that.
Fun. I would say fun है. नहीं भी है. Depends on your story. Again,
I want to know your story.
it's been a fun part also and a bad part also. I would
Okay.
say. Like there are a lot of lessons I've learned in my career. It's been a while, and as I said, I've been really patient and just trying to improve myself in every way, in every possible manner where I can be a better version of myself.
Okay. Yeah.
And as an artist, I want to portray something as a message, or I want to tell them I want to be like him. Someday.
Yeah.
That's what my vision is, and my all I think about is to spread good vibes with everyone.
Yeah, that's really nice actually. Okay, so DJing as a career 10-15 years ago and DJing as a career right now, what do you think the difference is? मतलब पहले लोग बहुत superstitious, people were even our families, as you said, कि difficult हुआ.
I'm sure you must be facing a lot of issues in your family.
Exactly. 4-5 years ago, like
Yeah.
there was no support that we had from the society. But then, आपको भी at your time when you started, what difficulties did you face and how you think it is easier abhi, like right now, to start?
It was never easier. As I said, like you will be going through phases of life. Also, this was more of a musical journey. Even I was going through a lot of phases in my music career,
Yeah.
like becoming a DJ first, then becoming a producer, then becoming a teacher, and then becoming an organizer. And now I'm a host, and now I have multiple IPs which I run all over India.
Yeah.
And I like to take it ahead with many cities and also countries
Yeah.
soon.
You will definitely. That's
Yes.
no question. But like, what difficulties, we face because of the society, because of the pressure that people give us. स्टार्टिंग में बहुत प्रेशर होगा कि ये क्या कर रहे हो यार, क्या है ये म्यूजिक, क्या होता है, तुम गाने बजा रहे हो दूसरों के लिए, एज यू सेड पैसे फेंक के जाएंगे, तुम प्ले करोगे. व्हाट इज ऑल दिस? मतलब लोगों का माइंडसेट
I think it's
कितना
just a generation gap. Like things have changed while
a lot.
Yeah, like I think generation wise there will be changes and people will follow different traditions, you know. And I feel our parents just what they are thinking right now is really something different what their parents must be thinking, you
Yeah.
know? So it's just a generation gap. Like I do respect them, I do take it on my note, and I try to be a better version, you know, by listening to them. I don't argue because we have to live in the same house.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay. So can we talk a little about futurism? What is it? How did you come up with that idea? And what is the goal? What is the vision that you have for futurism?
So futurism is more like a intellectual property which I run from last 2 years.
What is it exactly? Futurism के बारे में आप लोगों को क्या convey करना चाहते हो?
So futurism is about future, and this name came to my mind in my dream, and I'm living it. And so I would say when I started doing nights in Bombay, I walked into this venue, and it had really futuristic vibe. So I was still not ready with my name, but I know what I really wanted to do. My vision was clear that I'll create a IP and, you know, I'll run it, and it's more like a show. It's more like it's not a concert, it's not a party, it's more like an experience, you
Okay.
know? So it will be a lot of other things to explore in this party other than visuals and other experiences. Like I'm also trying to build a stage where we'll have our own set design,
Yeah.
and we'll have our own visual artist, we'll have a art director, and everyone will be working on it together. So things are getting aligned slowly, and we're getting there.
Yeah.
And we've been
So-
traveling around with futurism.
Surat has experienced that the vibe of futurism yesterday, and it was
Yes.
great. It was
Yes.
great. I was there. You might have not heard my set because I was too early, but yeah, good. Really, we enjoyed a lot, and it has created a mark here.
Yes. I totally had fun. I had a good time from the beginning of my set. Like I could feel the energy at every track
Yeah.
when I was playing. I was really surprised how they were reacting to it and I was looking at each and every one of them, and I was just looking at those faces, you know, like I didn't expect.
What did you expect?
I don't come with an expectation. If I start expecting, I'll be sad.
अब हम जा रहे हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट की तरफ, विच इज सच का सामना प्रेजेंटेड बाय काम भारी, एंड इट्स बेसिकली रैपिड फायर. तो
Wow.
लेट्स मूव अहेड फॉर दैट. आर यू एक्साइटेड?
I'm ready.
I wanted to know that. Are you ready? Okay. So, what is your biggest fear?
Heights.
Heights. Okay. Who is your inspiration?
Many actually. I can't. I can name few of them.
Yes, please.
Eric Price, Maceo Plex, Spongle.
Wow. Lovely. What is your biggest secret जो किसी को नहीं पता? Biggest secret.
There are no such secrets actually.
जो किसी को पता है वैसी secrets बता दो.
Like my future plans have the secrets.
Okay. Can you share one with us?
Let's talk about the Paris show. Let's talk about the merchandising and let's talk about, you know,
Okay, understood. ठीक है, मतलब नहीं बताना है, in short. One thing you love the most about yourself.
my nature. Because I love to be humble and that's my brand value. And people love it.
Yeah.
You know?
It is actually who as an artist it reflects how as a person
Yeah.
how as an artist you are.
Yeah, like I'm more of a people's person than staying alone or I love to be around people. I love talking to them.
Yeah.
I love to explore new things.
Yes.
This is the plus point of my career because I get to meet so many new people every week,
Yeah.
and there are so many different stories and so many different ways and so many different lifestyles, and
So yeah, you get to learn so much.
yeah.
Grow. That's wonderful. One big dream that you have.
Not one, but many. But I can say like I really want to release a lot of good music on better labels, which I'm already working on, and it's going to happen soon.
Oh,
So just
wow.
stay focused. And right now, my motto is that be focused and just follow what I'm doing.
One thing that you spend your most money at.
I've started spending money on my gears. I've started investing on gears like
Oh.
synthesizers,
Yeah.
my machine, my studio,
Yeah.
and I've been building a studio in Baroda.
Wow. That's
And
wonderful.
every 6 months, I do an upgrade in my studio, and I've made a plan for it, and it's happening.
That's really amazing. So, can you talk about more of what is the best brand that you follow in terms of music instruments? Which is your favorite brand, or
I follow a lot of Moog and a lot of Korg and Roland synthesizers.
Yeah.
I own them, so I've been following them, and I had always a dream of buying it, and I did it. And
wow.
It's been a fun ride to use them, because not everyone can afford
Yeah.
that kind of gears.
Definitely.
Because it's so expensive. I never thought that I would be buying it so soon, but I did.
That's amazing to hear because elements हमारी लाइफ में ऐड होते हैं. It gives you motivation.
Exactly.
A lot of motivation कि आज यार मेरे पास ये है जो मुझे चाहिए था.
That has to be the biggest factor in your life to keep you upgraded in life, and also your motive towards it keeps focused.
Yeah.
Buying and getting new things will keep you more into it.
Yeah.
And once you start investing into it, and you'll start giving more time to it.
Yeah.
It's a phase.
Exactly.
So every phase has been important, and it's been a fun ride. Again.
Yeah. So time से मुझे याद आया आज जो time चल रहा है that the highlight of today's lifestyle is social media, right?
Absolutely.
What do you think social media कैसे हमारी life को impact कर रहा है? Being an artist, कैसे past I think 4 years 3 years से social media ने market capture करके रखा है, and how as an artist are you coping up with this thing?
So social media in last 5 years has been in top of the game for all the artists, be it in any industry, not
Yes.
just music,
Yes.
but also in terms of other artists. They give you a brand value, and they really push you to people who don't know about you, and
Yes.
they really know about you by looking at your image,
Yes.
and you portray a certain way of yourself, your artistic brand value.
Yes.
What you give it to them, and they will follow it. You know.
It is always a plus point,
Yes,
I think.
it's always a plus point. Also, like how we got merchandising now.
Yes.
That is also another plus point to the brand value.
Definitely. And I think you get connected to different sorts of people from different countries, maybe, or different fields through social media.
Yes.
So that's always fun. And I've been following you since we got in touch with about the gig and stuff, and been really following you. What is he doing? Where is he going? What's the gig and stuff? And I found lots of amazing videos and photos of you on your social media. It's amazing to see, and you get a touch of the person that you're gonna meet.
Yeah.
So बहुत मजा आता है. If the vibe is good, you're like नहीं यार ये gig अच्छा होगा, मजा आएगी. So that is always a plus point if you use it correctly.
Yes. Also,
Yeah.
ये intention से जाओ, positive approach से जाओ तो एक अलग जरिया हो जाता है.
हाँ.
लोगों को समझने में और समझाने में दो अलग चीज है.
हाँ.
तो तुम जो दिखाते हो वो अलग है और जो देखते हो वो अलग है.
Correct. So according to you, social media is always a good thing when you take it positively as a brand. It creates a brand value for other people also. I would like to add to this. तो PR कितना ज़्यादा important है to create a brand? कैसे टाइप के लोगों से मिलना है? If you're meeting a person, how do you come to know कि यार ये सही बंदा है कि नहीं है? Getting connected to good people and making a brand value, how is it important and how do you manage that?
So I do meet a lot of people, but you really come to know what are your people and what are your followers and what are your believers
Yes.
and well-wishers. Yeah. So yeah, at some point after meeting them 1-2 times, and you'll figure it out yourself, and you really know whom to believe and whom to not. And,
Yeah.
Have
you had a bad experience? ऐसा कोई incident हुआ हो कि बुरे लोगों से मिल के you've regretted कि यार ये
Of course, सबके लाइफ में होता है और मेरे लाइफ में तो बहुत हुआ है.
बहुत हुआ है. एक छोटा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर सकते हो?
As an artist, I don't want anything. I just want everything to go smoothly. But obviously, in my early days, where I was not this known and people used to not take me a little seriously, when they started following me, they really knew who I am as a person, and then they start really investing time in you.
Yeah.
And that's where the turning point is.
Yeah.
Like, people should believe in you for what you are and not for what people say.
The perspective matters.
Exactly.
So how did you took up that challenge कि यार कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि people are not believing, there are 100 people who are not believing, एक person ऐसा होता है कि ये support है मेरा. तो वैसा कोई person आपकी life में रहा है?
Yes, my mom.
Yes, that's lovely to hear.
Yeah.
Because I think अगर blood relatives, अगर इतने close person आपसे जो already who's been throughout your life, अगर वो support करे तो वो that is like 100 times than any other person supporting you.
Yes, absolutely.
How did your family take up this career?
Yeah, initially they were not ready about it, but I've always asked for time. Like as Nipun, I would say, like I had to move back to Bombay from Baroda,
Yes.
and I moved back and I started pursuing my dream,
Yeah.
and also started working on myself, and also I had to do a degree to survive in Bombay.
Yeah, because money plays an important role, I think.
My parents, they told me to finish the degree, and then only you can live in Bombay. Otherwise, Bombay is not the place for you.
Yeah,
know?
that is very true.
And I said, okay, I'll finish my degree. And yeah, here I am. I have finished my master's in computers, and I'm a computer engineer by books. So
A DJ, a famous DJ and a music producer, a passion.
yes.
Yes. So money plays an important role. Starting times में you face difficulties to balance and to make your family members believe कि ये मैं कर लूँगा. ठीक है, आज के टाइम में it is not easy to survive as an artist. So how do you manage? कैसे हुआ ये सब? And today how are you managing? How are you investing for your future goals? And how important is money for you right now?
Of course, money is very important for everyone.
Yes.
Without money, you can't travel.
So-
You can't live.
You can't
So,
survive.
That's where people are running. You know, everyone is doing it for money, and obviously the game is about how much money you have.
Yes.
You know?
Starting में कैसे manage किया? Living in Bombay, then Baroda,
so-
Bombay. How did you manage?
So early days, parents really didn't support me that well. So I used to play a small time gigs, and I used to make some amount of money, and then I used to travel to Bombay and other cities like Goa to listen to explore music
Yes.
in the same genre. And once you start exploring, you start learning. That's
Yeah.
where your cycle starts. And when you explore, and that's where your learning starts, you know.
If ever ऐसा हुआ कि ये जो plan है आपका, whatever goals you have, अगर ये workout नहीं करता है, तो आपके पास कोई plan भी है?
I don't think I'll be moving back, and I'm on a stage where I cannot move back. And
Okay.
this is my focus, and I know that I'll achieve it.
Because
I have a plan.
you have a plan.
Yes, I go ahead with a plan, and I know I'll succeed.
Wow, wonderful. Like believing in yourself
Yes.
is the only plan that you have.
Yes.
That's wonderful to hear. And I would like to ask you one more thing. Being an artist, I want you to send a message to all the other people जो अभी grow कर रहे हैं, जिन्हें अभी start किया as a DJ, as a music producer, be it any artist, okay? आप उनको क्या message देना चाहते हो?
Just focus, and believe in yourself, believe in your family, listen to everyone, and be welcoming.
Yes.
That's where you learn a lot in life.
So, as a DJ, you have a specific genre that you select, okay? कि मैं ये play करूँगा, मेरा ये mood है, and I love this. I'm passionate about this kind of music. What is that music for you? Like, which genre do you follow?
I follow all the genres.
Yes.
Like, as a musician, I'm very versatile. I don't stick to any genres. And when I'm playing, I stick to playing groovy music.
Yes.
Be it any style. Like, that's what talks about yourself. And, techno is all about a lifestyle also.
Yes.
How you take it ahead, it's everything for me.
Okay, so techno being the main genre that you follow, futurism is also about techno and house.
So when I'm playing in futurism gigs, there are completely different kind of styles. I experiment,
Okay.
and more of futuristic and hypnotic, cinematic style of techno.
Yeah.
That's the vision I want to portray with futurism.
Yes. Okay, so we know the element that techno has, but मुझे हमारी audience को बताना है कि techno क्या है. For you, what does this genre mean?
मेरा खाना है. For a new as I said, it's a lifestyle. Uh, it really takes time to understand music, but if you keep your mind open and start exploring yourself, then you will understand everything. Be with music or be with anything else. Be with your clothes or be with your sound system. Anything,
Yeah.
you know?
Yes. You need to keep your mind open.
Yeah.
That is all we had to share about techno. Okay, it was lovely talking to you and having you on the show. Thank you for such a special time that you shared with us, shared with Kambhari. Kambhari एक बैच देता है only to those people जिसका काम सच्ची में बहुत भारी है, and this one's for you.
Wow. This is like
And we have a small gift for you as well.
amazing. Thank you so much for this. Really looking forward to.
So बहुत अच्छा टाइम रहा आपके साथ ये शो पे. आपने कभी ऐसा सोचा था कि आप कामधारी के शो पे इंटरव्यू
Never.
देने आओगे?
Never.
How was your experience?
Thanks to Mr. Kambhari.
Mr. Kambhari. How was your experience genuinely? मतलब off the grid
I didn't
कैसे?
expect it to go this smooth.
Yeah,
Like as I said, it was my first one, but never felt like a first one
yeah,
because I really know what I wanted to talk and
Yes.
what I wanted to tell and what I wanted to portray.
yes.
You know, so yes, it was
So
fun.
from the entire conversation, I got to know that patience is very important.
Yes.
Your nature with people,
Yes.
how you behave, to be humble with everybody. I got to know that. एक दो पॉइंट जो मुझे मिसिंग लगा, ये मतलब ऑफ है, सिर्फ टेक्नो एज अ जॉनरे. आई वांट यू टू एक्सप्लेन इट इन अ वे कि मतलब वो तो हमने जनरलाइज कर दिया, बट लोगों को अभी भी पता नहीं चला कि हाउस क्या होता है, टेक्नो क्या होता है. छोटा सा कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन जिससे पता चले दिस इज a new kind of music which is growing in India. See, it's been 4-5 years कि लोगों ने accept करना चालू किया है. पहले only people underground scene चलते थे, कुछ पार्टीज चलती थी, अच्छी पार्टीज हो रही है तो ठीक है, very limited crowd, like 100 में से 10% crowd ऐसा था जो साई टेक सुन रहा था. एंड नाउ एज यू केम हियर यू डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट दिस बिकॉज ये जनरल क्राउड था जो सुन रहा था एंड दे वर एंजॉयिंग इट. सो वो ग्रोथ के बारे में थोड़ा लाइक गिव जस्ट अ मिनट ऑफ टॉक टू द जॉनरे सो दैट वी कैन एड इट इन द मिडल कि ये हम this is your style, this is what you're doing right now, as of now.
So as techno, I try to deliver more of futuristic kind of sounds
Yes.
and story based, and it's like a movie.
Yes.
It's like a movie in a party, you know. So I want to make a vibe like a movie. All futuristic sounds and techno when they collide, and it creates vibration. And
Yes.
that's what it is about, you know. It's a punch.
Yeah.